Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. I am not sure what is this package. My wife purchased a whole bunch of item from Kohl's because of the veterans discount. If you purchase anything that's $25 or more, you get the $10 discount. And she also follows one of the Instagrammer, Apple 30. That's an additional 30% off. And then another thing was MVC free November. Got the discount. I'm not sure how much discount, but anyway, and then also a free shipping fee. So there are a whole bunch of packages that I'm gonna unbox. I'm not sure which is what. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Plus, if you buy anything that's over $50 before tax, you get a $10 code cash. Oh yeah, this is she got me a shaver. I think original this price was about $69.99. And then there's a whole bunch of discount, everything, free shipping. It turns out to be like $31, something like that. I'm trying to see the email that she sent it to me, but unfortunately, somehow I cannot find this item. Because I'm trying to tell you guys how much she paid. Let me look at this real quick. So the crock pot, check again. Oh, okay. So this is the WHAL stainless steel lithium ion hair trimmer. It is original price is $79.99 and on sale for $69.99. And there's an Apple 30, which is the 30% off. But somehow they take out the 30% off after you deduct the veterans $10 off. And there's also a November Home 10, another additional $10 off. And this she applied another coupon, MVC free November NOV. So free shipping. So with tax and everything, the tax is $3.06. So this one up out of the door is $38.05. And unfortunately, we didn't get the $10 code cash. Let's go. Oh, I think that's the invoice. Yep, that's the invoice. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Wow, this is a nice set. So this is a #1 brand. It comes with the edge, detail, nose, ear trimmer, 5-year warranty. And this one has a 4 hours of runtime, 1 minute quick charge. I'm not sure what's that about. Has a smart LED, low charge indicator. This is made in USA of domestic and in import parts. High performance self-sharpening blade. WHAL home product, stainless steel, lithium ion plus, trimmer plus groom plus detail plus haircut. The brand used it by professionals since 1919. So let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. And this one is UL rated. The model is 9818. High performance T-blade, stubble, medium, high, and full beer guides, fade and full hair cuts, detail shaver, precision detailer, ear nose trimmer, all in one. So the total is 22 pieces, okay? Our most advanced lithium-ion technology. So I guess it's compared to the regular standard nickel metal hydride or NiCad battery. This is a WHAL Lithium-ion. So this one is the WHAL Lithium-ion Plus, which is the best. So it's 90 minutes to charge, 1 minute quick charge for 3 minutes of use. And as an auto charge off when complete, which is saves energy. 5 years warranty, 60 days money back guarantee. There's your 1-800 number in case you have a problem with your clippers, or you can send them through the mail, or contact them through the email. So it comes with a storage case. Let's go ahead and open this. Hopefully I don't need to rip it apart. It seems like it's hard to get it out. Oh, jeez. All right. Open the flap. So I guess this is my Christmas present or gift. Wow, look at all this attachment. Wow, this one's nice. Feel pretty heavy and then solid. Got this push on and off button. Unfortunately, it is not fully charged. Remove travel plug or charger prior to use. Unit will not work while plugged in. So I guess I need to remove this in order to work then. Oh, yeah. What? Still no juice. Wow, nice chrome finish right there, stainless steel. There's your charging port right there. So here is the AC plug. Plugging this into your wall outlet. And then you plug this on the bottom right here to charge it. So I guess I need to charge it up to what? Is it 4 hours or 90 minutes? So here's a quick start guide. remove trouble plug, charging first time, smart LED, so the LED is right by the power button. It's gonna glow, I guess. And then trimmer testing, oil blade regularly, detach blade, attach guide combs, easy to follow instruction. And here is the 5-year limited warranty. What's this one? Important safeguard. So here is the travel bag. Got their embroidery name right here. WHAL. It's nice. Made in China. Oh, nice. Come with the oil, brush, a tiny comb. So here's the clipper oil. So I guess you need to snip that off, for the oil to come out. What is I so small comb? Maybe it's for like a beer or something. And this is the brush to clean your blade. So come with the attachment, and then it says China. So I got let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 attachment, and then a comb 13, brush 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Where's the other one? I only got 21. Supposed to be, what is it, 22? Anyway, let me open this and then test them out. Why it's so hard to get it out? Is it broken already or what? Oh, okay. That was gonna break it. So to put it in, you got it tilting an angle, and then just snap it back in like that. Hopefully it's not gonna break it too easy. So why this thing come apart then? I guess when I try to take it out, it come apart. So yeah, make sure this go in first in the angle, and then just snap it in. Oops, like that. Okay. To take it out, just yank it toward this way. Let me take this one out. So I guess this one is more for like a beer. Okay. And there's this attachment. So this one is a detail trimmer. This is a nose, ear, and brow trimmer. And then this is a detail shaver, I guess to shave your beard. And this one trim and haircut. All right, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. I will try to plug this one in and show you guys what it look like once it's plugged in. Since if you quick charge for 1 minute, it will last 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and plug this one in real quick. All right, so we are here by the wall outlet. I'm gonna plug this in and then see what it look like. Let's see. Wow, I got a nice blue LED indicator. So I am going to wait until it's 1 minute. Sorry for the reflection. Because I want to test this out for you guys to see how loud it is, or if it's too noisy. So you guys could determine if you can want to go ahead and purchase this or not. So I gotta unplug it then. I think it's about a minute already. Yep, it's about a minute. Unplug it. So this is sound. What's it sound like without the attachment? Let me test out all the attachment. This is the hair trimmer. I mean the nose. And then this one is the hair trimmer. All right, that's it.